Today I'm going to talk a little bit about two of the Hunt series knives. These are the Crooked River and the Mini Crooked River. Both come in a couple different options. You can get the full-size Crooked River with black G10 or the gray G10 or the wood handle. Everything comes with a bright orange liner spacer, spacer, not liner, and then the orange bezel around the pivot. Everything's access lock, everything is CPM S30V steel, ambidextrous belt clip. Steven, our left-handed guy, he did his Benchmade training recently, is carrying this one completely blacked out. You can get this where it's got the diamond light coating and black G10, and then the only color on it is the orange bezel and spacer. Super cool knife. The full size, it is large. Again, I have a large hand, and it fills my hand. Comfortable but big, whereas the Mini Crooked River, I like small knives. I really like this one. The jimping on the back really helps that purchase and the grip on it. Two great knives, great sizes. The sizing and model number information will be on the YouTube link as well as on the website. Check the current website for current prices, and thanks for watching.